Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Finally, we had a day which was not choppy. Finally, we had a day which was amazing and just like the old good days. Today was a day when we had a lot of opportunities. Today was a day when we actually felt like traders again because we were trading. We were not in a chop fest, we were actually in a trading market. So, how was my day? Let me show you. So today was an amazing day. $136, 5 trades, 800 volume, less than 1,000, 60% win rate, and just amazing with a lot of opportunities. And the stocks which were trading were clean. Look at the P&L. Profit, profit, profit. Amazing day. Let me show you the trades from today. If you don't know, I have two strategies, and both of these strategies worked in my favor. So, right over here, that's the strategy I trade, and that's my trading thingy. So, what I did was over here was the pre market high. I took a pre market high breakout over here, put my stop loss at break even. So, if it stops me out, no trade. Partial, 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 partial. So I added over here, it took my average really high because I already took heavy partials, and it stops me out, and I was okay. I made a good decent amount over here, and honestly, this $50 in one trade was higher than my last couple of days together. So honestly, I was happy. I was calm, cool, and collected. I was like, it works. Then this was Amazon, and Amazon was not in a stock in play, but it was setting up for a VWAP breakout. But I thought, it's not working. There's not clearly not enough volume, and look at this. It just right after I went out and chickened out. Look at this. It just sells down. So I made a good call. Then I took AMD short. And this was honestly a very nice short. Why? I'll tell you. So this first grinds up really high. Then it fails. And it fails because the whole market was actually going down. So all the triple Qs or SPY was just going down. So this right here was the VWAP. So in this candle, it goes back, and over here it just tests and again fails. And I was so confident because this is my strategy. This is my VWAP breakdown strategy, and this completely worked in my favor. And my partials were really nice. See, bottom of the candle partials, amazing partials. And yeah, this worked in my favor. I've over here I was like thinking I should I add or no, but I didn't have enough space to add, and ultimately I got out here completely. And the reason I got out because I thought the move was done. Look at this. Past couple of days, the market has been so choppy. We did not even get this move, and the day we do, look at this. Boom! It's such a crazy move. It's almost a $10 move. Not even. It's higher than that. Like from 220 to 209. That is crazy. So yeah, this was an amazing trade. After that, I took AMD short. No, sorry, this is the same trade. Uh, I'm missing one. Yeah, PLTR because I I remember there was a loss. So after AMD trade, while I was in the trade, actually, I was in the AMD trade, and I took this. Why is it opening AMD? What the hell? Okay, there's definitely an error. But basically, yeah, there's definitely an error, but basically I had a loss over here. It's not letting me open, but yeah, that I don't know. This was a VWAP breakout, but it flushes down when I entered. So I stopped out and it was okay. It happens. I took Tesla short then. So because the whole market was going down, PLTR was a long which I took, and because the market was going down, everything was going down. So again, I took a Viva breakdown and caught a really nice move. And over here, I completely got out. I was like, I think the move is done, and I was not right because today the moves were crazy. Look at this. Came back eventually, and now it's consolidating over here. 450 range is pretty choppy, but today was a good day. So in total, I made about $136, and that I'm keeping my funded account trades as well. So that brings my trades or my total account to 100 and sorry, minus $545. This was the day, and yeah, so I am pretty happy. Finally, all the rules I made and my trade book, I am following that, and finally, I have something to be proud of. Honestly, out of all the days I've had, and I've had a total of, I guess, 13 trading days. This was the 13th day, and today was the first day actually where I met all my rules. Let me show you what rules I've made. So these let me so this is my rule page, and these are my playbooks and some rules I have over here, and I basically track that. And today my this was my today, and look at this. Today I reviewed the pre-market plan. I respected the position size and max daily loss. I respected and I said I will only take A plus trades, and that's what I did. I only took A plus trades. I executed the stops without hesitation. That was the PLTR trade, and I put the notes right after I did the day. 60% win rate, not even one of the rules were broken, and the day was amazing. So honestly, today was the best day in terms of everything. All the criterias. Today was the best day I've ever had. So I hope this kind of days is what we're gonna see mostly in our future. And yeah, I am excited for the future, and this is the closest I've been to being profitable, and I will make it. I know that. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.